Ko Diana Puketapu-Lyndon of Ngāti Porou, ko eke hei hea o Kirikiti Aotearoa. Te wahine tuatahi, te Māori tuatahi hoki, I te roanga o tōna hitori ki te whakaki I taua tūranga. Anei te pūrongo a tā mātou pia o te rito a Riria Dalton Reedy.
He wahine Māori, kua piki tūranga hirahira I tētahi kaupapa kua roa nei e ora ana, I ōna pūmahara.
When I was young, cricket was on free-to-air television. We had the TV on the entire summer with cricket in the background. So cricket was really a backdrop to my Kiwi summer. And it just became something that was part of, I guess, my DNA.
Ko Diana Puketapu-Lyndon te hea hou o Kirikiti Aotearoa e para nei I tētahi huarahi hou I te ao Kirikiti.
I think New Zealand cricket is really leading the way in sports in New Zealand with our strategy around women and cricket, and it sort of delves into every area of cricket, not just playing cricket, but the administration of cricket and the governance of cricket.
E hara tēnei I te mahi noi hoki a Puketapu-Lyndon, he hononga pūmau ki tōna pāpā, nāna te aroha ki te Kirikiti, I whakatō ki roto I aia.
I think my father would be incredibly surprised to find that I am the chair of New Zealand cricket, and I would like to think that he would be very proud of that. So that connect to my father is really special for me.
Ko ngā tōna mana Kirikiti ā motu mā ngā tāne Māori, mā ngā wāhine Māori anō hoki I tū I tēnei tau. He tuatahi, nā Kirikiti Aotearoa.
Both of those first-time inaugural tournaments are awesome to see our Māori players coming together in that context, and awesome to see them being able to connect to their whakapapa. So these are just some pathways that have been developed by New Zealand cricket intentionally in order to show Māori that there is a pathway in cricket for Māori.
Kei te koke whakamua tonu. Hei te hānuere, tū ai te tōna mana Epu Pacific ki Tāmaki Makaurau. Riria Dalton Reedy, te ao mārama.